It's K-Drama Fanatics here, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna talk about Song Joong-ki upcoming Korean drama. Song Joong-ki are in talks for a new drama. On January 18, OSEN reported that Song Joong-ki will be starring in the new drama entitled My Youth, in which his agency is currently producing. In response to the reports, Song Joong-ki's agency, Hi-Seum Studio, shared Song Joong-ki received an offer to star in the new drama My Youth, and he is reviewing the offer. My Youth will be penned by scriptwriter Park Si-yoon of the hit JTBC drama Run On, and will be produced by Hi-Seum Studio. If Song Joong-ki accepts the offer, this will be his first new drama since he and his wife welcomed their first child in June 2023. Previously, Song Joong-ki captivated audiences in the hit drama Reborn Rich, which aired in JTBC on November 2022, and starred in the film Hopeless, which was screened at the 2023 Cannes Film Festival. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.